ito daw kinantenan niya tsura kidet. Nagtumbuya nga rudan.
We are grilling fish. Feel like it's camping tonight.
And what do we have for fish?
This is tuna.
Tuna.
Yeah,
Nice.
fresh tuna.
And another day starting. So Kit is, for now, she's over here in the office. The roof is going on, digging is going on. More cement? More sand. New office. Hi everyone. So Digi Kitty stayed on the farm. She's actually in the office, right? So yeah, she still need to work. And I'm on my way to the city to buy her a mouse. And of course, pick up more money for the construction. In general, I'm a very stingy person. I hate spending. But, oh well, what can I do? So anyway, the nearest city, it's actually questionable. It's two cities nearby. One is basically Bani, one is Alaminos. On this way where we're going now, we're going towards Alaminos, which is a bigger city. Bani is much smaller, but Bani may be about 6 kilometers away and Alaminos is about 8 kilometers away. Driving over here is much easier than in the city because not much traffic actually. In the city again it will be lots of traffic, but over here it will be fine. It's a pleasant drive normally. And we are in Alaminos, the place where you can find the 100 Island, and then you can stay on the 101st island, and that's a sea farm island. Seriously guys, I think it will be an amazing gift for you loved ones to give them basically holidays in the Philippines in anytime in next 3 years. With the memberships, if I take the highest package, we will give you boat rides, or actually I can even give you the boat to ride. You can have fun with it on the river. It's a speedboat, by the way, so it's lots of fun to drive. Then accommodation good for free. You get 2 really feasty dinners with crab and shrimps. Fresh fish available every day. You get daily fruit in your room, and more or less it's like seriously free holiday actually, because the highest package is like what, $400, and that's pretty good holiday for $400, because on the airport I will pick you up and I will even drop you. That will be the biggest fun. So I will bring you on the farm myself. I think that's pretty good. We can discuss everything what we need about Digi. We can plant some seed cards on the way to the farm. It will be lots of fun. So yeah, let me know guys.
Anong boy?
And the work starting.
Maramitan na ito na. Ako naramitan kita.
Almost done.
Malpasata. Wow. Magulukan ko. Wow. Magulukan ko. Malpasata.
Brick work started. Roof almost done.
So wala kaya magangganay ka mabalikasan.
Silo ti kape. Dayo.
Adayo na.
Balin. Basta ikaw, sabot nila at abot nila kita. Abay. Hindi mo nakakita. Ano mo nakita? Bakit? Kabin mo yung barita ka. Awanan.
Susuran to kayo. Tuntay.
Nakasulan, tanong kayo maribe yan.
Tung kalamit ay init.
Na. Marinig. Hindi tuloy ka na. Sabi nga na tao.
Kuya diyan toki de. Yala am tinulong pa ano.